It's moving day. Today we're driving 6 out of the 12 hours and we're stopping at my great aunt's house in North Carolina. And then tomorrow we'll be driving the rest of the 6-hour drive to Athens. This car has everything except clothes. Then this car has all of my clothes. 2 people will be in my car and then 2 people will be in our rental car.
Then turn left onto Falston.
First state down. We're out of Maryland. We're in a wee bit of dead stop traffic.
Woo! We're running now.
I wanna see you out that door, baby, bye bye bye. And we're in North Carolina.
2 down.
1 to go.
North Carolina will be 3, and then South Carolina, and then Georgia.
Okay, so I forgot about South Carolina, so 2 to go. We picked up some shower shoes and protein bars, and my dad got another cable cord.
Wow.
Oreo.
Welcome to my house. What the heck? So we may or may not have missed the South Carolina state line and the Georgia state line. I think we're in Georgia now. Maybe. I don't know. We have an hour and a half left. So scratch that. It's 30 minutes later and we just crossed into Georgia. We're here. We just dropped everything off at the hotel and now we're going to the warehouse to pick up all of the items that we had delivered. All right, we just finished. That was like Tetris. It took so many tries to get everything figured out, but we barely what's the word? We barely got everything in there, but we did, so it's all good.
Sorority rush.
What are you doing, babe?
Why are you taping me?
Cute. It's officially move-in day. We move in 20 minutes, so we're heading to the dorms now to check in and hopefully get a cart. I just got my key and I'm number 6 on the wait list for a cart.
Was it one of the first ones you guys got? This one.
All right, so we found out that I got the wrong key. Well, they gave me the wrong key, so it's all fixed now. I should be able to get in my room, and we got a cart. I just got interviewed for the UGA newspapers. This is my side, and this is my roommate's side. Time to unpack. We just rearranged the furniture, and now we're gonna wipe everything down. The state of the room at the moment. It's been an hour.
Oh my gosh, get out.
How are you?
Thank you. You got out from Marvel.
Okay, so my roommate just got here. We're gonna go grab lunch and check in for rush and then come back and do all of the organizing and the finishing touches.
They're not gonna use a pick me up.
What would you rate it?
I rated an 8.
The desserts are always really good. I'd say an 8 out of 10. Probably rate it a 7.5 out of 10.
I would give it a 9 out of 10. I just registered for rush and I got a little tote bag and I'll do a haul when we get back to the room. The line was super long to go up the elevator and so we're walking 8 stories, but my dad decided to take the elevator. All right, so while my roommate's still unpacking the dorm, I didn't want to cram her style, so I'm gonna do a little rush bag haul. They gave us our Panhellenic, I think that's how you say it, shirts for the house tours. And on the back, it has all of the different houses. They gave us little coupons, more coupons, even more coupons. This little pointer book, which has like descriptions on each of the sororities and also some outfit guides. Oh, I love these. Okay, so this is Elementi. It's like an electrolyte drink. I actually have these in my dorm right now, but I don't have these flavors, so I'm excited to try those. More coupons. Okay, so this is a face or eye mask, and with the amount of sleep I'm gonna be getting this next week, I'm definitely gonna need that. More coupons. I think that's about it. I also got my name tag, and then on the back my gluten-free stamp. So normally it's Chick-fil-A for breakfast, but they're gonna have something different for me.
Say hi!
That's my roommate Jilly.
Oh, am I on FaceTime or video?
It's gonna be a vlog.
Oh, it's just the room so far. It's kind of a mess, but it's a work in progress.
The one on the right, I gotta.
It's not yours. I ate a chili pepper by accident.
I agree with you.
There, and then up here. Look how cute. It's so cute. And this is inside of it. Matching bedding and everything, and everything. Yeah, it's cute. It's also this. So cute, so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a video. I'm smiling.
At store 2, getting more things for my dorm. I love how our room turned out, so stay tuned for a full room tour video.